Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making chicken chili. In this recipe I will use all kind of chilies, green chilies, capsicum and whole red chili. So here are the ingredients: boneless chicken, spring onion, capsicum, black pepper powder, ginger, salt to taste, green chilies, slick, garlic, finely chopped, onion of spring onion, corn flour or cornstarch dissolved in normal water, chili sauce, soya sauce, vinegar, chili garlic sauce. So first take boneless chicken and cut it into small cubes. Now take a frying pan, add 1 teaspoon of oil. Always remember, Chinese cooking is high flame cooking. Add 1 teaspoon of finely chopped ginger. Let it cook for 10 to 15 seconds. Now add 1 teaspoon of finely chopped garlic. Mix it. Cook it for a couple of seconds. Add spring onion. Now add green chili, slitted and deseeded. Now add boneless chicken. This is around 150 grams of boneless chicken. Add 2 to 3 whole red chilies. Mix it. Cook it for around 1 minute on high flame. Now add 2 teaspoon of soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of red chili sauce, half a teaspoon of vinegar, half a teaspoon of green chili sauce. Mix it well. Cook it for another half a minute. Now add pinch of black pepper powder, 2 chopped capsicum. Now add salt to taste. Every sauce has salt, so add less salt. Now add spring onion. Finally add corn flour, which I have dissolved in normal water. Approximately 2 teaspoon of corn flour dissolved in 1 bowl of water. Mix it. Now add the green part of spring onion. This is just for garnishing. Mix it well. 1 minute till the gravy is thick. Serve it. Garnish it with spring onion, and your dry chicken chili is ready. So try this recipe, and for more instant recipes please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.